Hello to everyone, and thank you very much to prepare this opportunity for all the candidates to apply for this position. I want to apply for the position of senior lecturer in business management, and I want to introduce myself. My name is Ali Reza Jalali, and I am from Iran. Currently, I'm living in Oman and working in the University of Nizba as an assistant professor. In 2013, I received my PhD in the field of management from University Science Malaysia, and after that, I worked as a researcher in University Science Malaysia. I worked for 2 years. In 2015, I went back to my country, Iran, and worked for different university in Iran. From 2015 to 2018, I worked as a lecturer, part-time lecturer, and also the full-time senior lecturer in one private university and part-time lecturer in actually governmental university like University of Tehran. I work in different fields in business management and also work to the bachelor degree and taught to the bachelor degree and also master degree in the field of business management. In 2018, again, I joined University of Science Malaysia as a teaching fellow, and from 2018 to end of 2019, in the August of 2019, I worked for them, and actually I work in as a teaching fellow. My responsibility was about doing the research in the as a teamwork for different grants. I taught to the students the different management courses and also research methodology, and I supervised the both master degree and undergraduate degree students for the project. Also, I helped the many supervisors there for the PhD project, and also I actually apply for the I also worked in different projects and published so many articles in the journals in that time, in international journals. And in 2019, in the August of 2019, I joined University of Nizwa in Oman as an assistant professor, and I taught in different subjects and different course in business management, and also supervised so many students. I taught to the students with different background and also different culture from Bangladesh, from India, from UAE, and from Oman. So also, I supervised many students in the master degree and many projects in the master degree, and also in the bachelor degree. I taught different courses such as international business, research methodologies, and also graduation project, and supervised master students also in their project, and some of the students finish their project. And I developed the teaching and assessment plan for my courses. The teaching and assessment plan included the course learning of the outcome of the course, program outcome, and the actual alignment of the course learning outcome and the program outcome. I also prepare the materials for each courses in teaching and assessment plan. I prepare the references for each courses in teaching and assessment plan. And I also prepare the assessment type. The assessment type in my teaching and assessment plan included the quiz, assignment, case study in semester 1, in semester 2, and the final exam. For the case study, I asked the student to do the presentation also in the class, and I engage with different students from different background, different age, men and women. So I try to handle and manage all the students, and because the students are from the different age and background, so I divided the student into different groups, and I try to prepare the materials in the class which is actually useful for all the students with the different background, different abilities, and also some of the students have disabilities. So I try to prepare also the material for the student which with disability to understand all the content and learning like the other student, and prepare the feedback for the student from the after the assessment. I prepare the feedback for the student and also give the feedback to the student and ask the student to improve themselves in some part that they have the weakness. I also ask the student to prepare themselves for the seminar in the class every 2 or 3 weeks. I ask the group to present in the class about the case study, about different topics. And I also, for the graduation project, I ask the student to prepare one project and one topic related to the course, and also I discuss with the student about the topic. After the topic approved in the department meeting, so they started to work on their project, and usually they finish it in 13 weeks. And they prepare the proposal. After the proposal approved by the committee, they start their project, and they finish their project in, for example, week 13, and the examiner came to the class and they present the material in front of the also the examiner.